Today we are going to design a veneer in EXOCAD. Select the crown you want to do and select veneer. For this example we're going to select wax, press OK and select the antagonist. Scan mode, 2 stone models in occlusion. Save the project and start designing. Make sure at this stage make sure that the scan is in the right orientation and go next. Select the margin. So because this is a complex margin, you kinda need to select multiple points to help the software discover the margin, more or less. And then, because this isn't a straightforward margin, you need to come correct and adjust it. Usually I like to delete some points to make the margin smoother, otherwise it gets very bumpy like this, which isn't very nice. I think we can drag the margin a bit more to the back. I think the fewer the points, the smoother the margin will get. So always make sure to adjust the margin. Once you are happy with it, go next. And now this one, you need to choose the path of insertion. And although we're gonna have some undercuts in these areas, the most important thing is to have the margin complete all around. You need to be able to see the margin all around the prep. So probably this is the best position. Set current view. Go next. You're gonna keep the cement cap as it is. And now we position a tooth. We're gonna copy this one, so it doesn't really matter much how we position it. Just more or less. Go next. Now we go to export mode and we're going to copy the 21. Here this one, select mirror, position it more or less. With anterior cases I always like to save a view to help me go into position faster. So I like to set up a frontal view and then an occlusal view like this, so it's so much easier. I think I'm going to leave this gap here for now because I think this space is bigger than this one. Okay, for now I'll leave it like this. Press OK. And now we have this crown. It's from the library. And we're going to adapt to the pre-op scan. The pre-op scan is the one that I just copied. So adapt. It adapted to the pre-op. Press OK. And now we design it. Smooth anything that it's distorted. Smooth a bit the surface to increase a bit there. Now we're gonna close this gap. Just be adding more to the palatal side. And then we smooth it out a bit. Just close a bit more this gap here. Smooth a bit the transition from the margin. And now if you want to do a line angle, you can add thin tool, not too strong, bigger brush. Then just do like this and smooth it. And I think it's pretty much it. Check if there is any occlusal contact points. And now we're gonna adapt the proximal ones. Adjacents there, proximal minus 0.01, like this. And now we just smooth a bit these parts. Always make sure to have a positive contact point, like this. We had some depressions here because the system thinks all of this is a contact point in here, as you can tell. So we always need to adjust if we use the adapt tool. Once you're happy with it, go OK, wizard, and it's done. A wax veneer designed in EXOCAD, ready to be milled.